In this video, we unbox and test the JLB CHEETAH. Oh! Oh! Guys, for a while now, some of you guys in the comments have been bugging me saying, Kev, get a JLB CHEETAH. We want to see how well it's going to hold up on the skate park and the BMX track. So I got one. So in this video, we're going to unbox it, give it a little test drive, and then in another video, we're going to put it through its paces and see what it's made of. It's got metal chassis, metal gear servo, brushless motor, 80 amp, 3S ESC, 3S LiPo, advanced radio system, and metal gears. It's 1/10 scale and 4x4. Is it really massively fun? We will see. Alright, let's crack him open. Don't need it. Oh, guys, check out what's underneath here. Subscribe! So, you get car, radio, battery, charger, adapter for the charger because I'm English, instructions, parts manual, and the only thing you do not get is batteries for the transmitter. So, to charge it up, all you do is plug that in there, that in there, that in there, and that in there. And then when it's all charged up, these are going to go green. So while that's charging up, let's have a little look inside. So, it's 4-wheel drive, it's got all metal drive shafts, metal shock towers, threaded shocks, look. Alloy top brace, big brushless motor and ESC, more alloy chassis with plastic guards, wheelie bar, and look at the size of those wheel nuts. So while that's charging up, I'm just going to chuck on a couple of stickers. So this one here is the 80 amp version, and that can run 3S LiPo. But they also do a 120 amp version that can do 4S LiPo. So if you want to see me do a review of that one as well, give me a note in the comments. And by the way, I'm going to put a link to both versions down below in the description. Alright, so battery's charged, and what holds them in is a couple of these Velcro straps. Oh look, it's got headlights! And tail lights. Alright, let's try it out. That looks like it's going to go pretty quick. So let's get it outside and give it a blast. Oh my god, 3S, that's mad! What's it going to be like on 4S? Oh, that moves. Oh my god, I didn't expect it to be that fast. We'll have to get a GPS meter out on this at some point. Alright, indoor bash. Oh! Alright, I reckon we can get a backflip out of that if we move this back a little bit. I'll tell you what, it really does need that wheelie bar. Oh, backflip, check it out. Oh my God. Jesus, that went up. Guys, this is a lot better than I was expecting. Oh my God, I can't wait to get this on the skate park, guys. Can we do a double backflip? Oh, nailed it! Oh! So guys, I'm genuinely amazed. Looking over it, you know, it's got a few scruffs, but no damage. I mean, there's no damage at all, and I took a couple of bad landings, and I'm surprised how fast it goes. Oh, guys, I am genuinely impressed how fast it is and how, well, so far it seems durable. Nothing's broken yet. I've aired it out inside the workshop, I've hit a couple of things, I've crashed it a couple of times, and it's fast. I mean, I'm going to get a GPS on this thing and see how fast it really is. I'm guessing probably around about 40 mile an hour, 45, something like that, maybe even 50, I don't know. And then if any of you guys are interested, give me a note in the comments, and I might even try the 4S version, the 120 amp one, and see how fast that one goes. So guys, give me a note in the comments, let me know what you think. Also, let me know in the comments where you want me to take this, and what sort of tests you want me to do. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button. See you soon. Bye.